Will you tell me, what are you going to go do with Daddy?
Farmer.
You could be a farmer? Yeah? What are you going to ride on?
Truck.
In the tractor and on the truck? What do you have to wear to be a farmer?
Farmer.
Yeah, you're a farmer. Do you wear sandals?
No.
What do you wear? You wear boots?
Yeah.
A farmer wears boots?
Farmer.
Hey Jimmy, what does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a chicken say?
Papa.
What does a sheep say?
Ma.
What does a puppy say?
Russia.
What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a duck say?
Papa.
What does a birdie say? Say tweet tweet.
D.
What does a tiger say?
Rat.
What does a snake say? What else? What else does Jimmy know? What are some more animals? What does a dinosaur say?
Rat.
What does a train say?
Choo choo.
What does... Who's this?
Key.
Katie.
Almost.
More animals. Like, what does a goat say? What does a piggy say?
No.
No! What does a piggy say?
I'm gone.
Yeah. Who's this?
No.
Is that Katie?
No.
Is this Katie? Is this Daddy?
No.
Is this Grandma?
No.
Who's this?
Duck. Duck.
Is it Jimmy? Can you say Jimmy?
Jimmy.
Jimmy!